I'm out here giving the daily driver some much needed love. This thing hadn't been washed for several weeks. I had new tires put on it today. Michelin Primacy MXM4 215 4517s. I love me some Michelin tires. This car still cleans up pretty well for 227,000 miles until you get right up close to it. I just realized that my passenger side fog lamp has broken. That's at least the second time that's happened. They're in a really bad location down there, and I've even attempted to protect them a little bit with, you can tell this one has some clear bra material on it, but it's discolored because it gets so hot. So while I'm at it, I'll probably go ahead and just replace both sides of fog lamps. And that passenger headlight could use another repolish. Other than that, she still looks good for now 8-year-old car. Okay, we're getting this baby replaced. I found aftermarket fog lamps that are plastic lens instead of glass, so I think this will hold up better in the long run, and it's a heck of a lot cheaper. We're all set with the passenger side, and I tested it to make sure it turns on. Everything is good there. The driver's side doesn't look like it's broken. However, early on I tried protecting it with a piece of clear film, and you can tell the heat from the bulb has discolored the sticker. So I'm just going to replace that one at the same time with a nice clear one, and then we'll call it a day.